Mga kabisnak, dito kami sa IKEA. Nakakatawa, the fun part in this mga IKEA stores guys, para siyang labyrinth, no? One way ang daan. So once nakapasok ka na dito sa entrance niya, ang exit mo, doon na all the way. Hindi ka na pwede bumalik. So, mapipilitan ka, may chances, mapipilitan ka mag-shopping. Alright, let's go. So, pasok ka sa showroom. Sa IKEA in West Covina, and in Covina. Dito IKEA guys, if you haven't been to IKEA, it's like a furniture store. So most dito, ikaw mag-assemble. Kaya medyo mas cheaper siya. Maganda din ang quality. Marami din mga pambahay dito. Alright, let's go check it out. Ito maganda. So if you live in a small apartment guys, ganitong sample ng studio. Ito. Check that out. So perfect siya sa yung mga one bedroom apartment. Ayan yung mura lang siya guys. Yung love seat 299 lang. It's cheap. Ganda Kasi kami, nagpapalit kami ng couch every 5 years. Kasi si Milo. Look at the kitchen showcase. Ko ganito sa bahay. I like this. Nice, I like this guy. Ito gusto kong setup, no? If ever magbahay kami, ito nga setup. Look at that, ma. Oh, ganda ng kitchen. It's nice. Sa bed. Para sa bed, guys. Sa imo. Masaka. Ubos mo po ni. Ubos mo. Maganda to guys. Lang siya ba? No? Aking bahay ko to. No? Pwede ako kunwari mag-video dito na nasa apartment ko. Pero dito lang pala sa IKEA. Wow. So, 6,000 guys ang buong package. Kasama tong mga oven. It's nice. Tapos yung bed, check that out. Ano po, I like the setup, no? Or decoration ka. Tapos, gusto mo yung, kung may bahay kang nice or simple lang na maliit. Sa dining, yeah. Yeah, so guys, kami careful kami sa mga furniture na binibili namin. Yung medyo pet resistant, kumbaga, yung hindi madali ma-scratch. Alam niyo na may pusa. Ay, tapos nandiyan pa si Milo. Guys, hindi ka na makabalik doon sa kuan mo kasi wala exit doon. So that means you have to go all the way in. You have to finish all the kuan dito showroom. But it's okay. Enjoy naman kami, tingin-tingin lang. Yung pinunta namin guys, nasa dulo pa. So, kailangan namin tapusin talaga to. So, follow mo yung arrows guys kasi hindi ka na hindi ka na makalabas, maka-exit. Yeah. Dito tayo sa mga beds. Itong kalaro ni Milo guys. Look at that, Milo. You wanna play mate? Bili ko kaya ito guys para kay Milo. No? What's up, Doggy? Yeah. Pwede ito, pero problema. Pag pinaraw ko mga Milo guys, wala pang 1 hour. Wala na yan. Patay na. I mean, ubos. Yeah. Alright guys, so nabili na namin ang aming pinunta rito. So this Punta tayo ng Hirin Market. Alright, tara. Chocolates. Let's try one.
Dark chocolate with coffee crunch.
Ano yun? Chocolate nila. O, dara oh. Try natin to. So, can't resist.
With toffee little.
Yeah, it's like caramel. Mga sweets, but chocolate guys. Ganyan. Talaga mahindian. Cinnamon bun. Oh, pagpalit. Grabe guys. Struggle pag-exit. Cute na kitchen guys. Check out the kitchen. So cute. Mga toys. Play kitchen guys. Dito kami sa Haven City Market. Para siyang parang Asian food court guys. So, try na to. I don't know how to look. I haven't been here. I'm on Haven City. Woo! Food court lang ni guys. Kita nito. Yung kung saan ako, ako. Kasi may naman tila on the red eh. Marami pagkain dito guys. Hirapan ka mamili. Katsu. Oh, looks good. Pork katsu. Mexican. Pupusas. Shrimp kebab. George's ka. Shrimp kebabs. Pwede ko mag-kebabs. Pwede mag-kebabs pero try ko something different. Churrascarias. Ano siya? Ano sa menu? Garlic butter, spicy. Blueberry. Katong katsu, katong katsu dito. Yeah. Curry chicken katsu. I like the katsu, chicken katsu. Waiting lang kami sa order namin, no. So, medyo tagal siya. Kasi maraming tao. Marami ding busy siya masyado. Chicken katsu yung in-order ko guys. Let's see. Tapos, parang nagustuhan ko yung mga in-order ng mga katabi namin, yung mga naka-ramen. So, try natin yung ramen din after. Grabe no, wala nang diet ni.
The cheese ball?
Cheese ball, then mo. Can you get mom?
This one, right?
Yeah. How is it? Good? Ito, nag-order si wifey ng another order. Hindi niya nagustuhan yung udon. Yung daughter ko, she had a pork, spicy pork. How is it, Langga? It's good? Alright, it's good. Wifey got the pork udon.
I'll make this one next time.
Huh? How is it? It's good?
pretty sure they made up more.
So far guys, ito. Yung sa akin, katsu, crispy chicken. Yan.
They have a weird look. Apparently the guy's okay with the girl dancing with the
Alright guys, tapos na kami. So maghanap kami dessert. Dami-daming pagpipilian dito guys. Sugar cane, juicery, acai bar. Yan. You want something healthy? Durian. Classic. So dessert tayo guys. Nirecommend ni Erin. Just cookie. What's the name of it? Oh, look at the... What do you call that one?
It's beignet.
Beignet. Yeah, it's like a what?
It's like a donut.
Japanese or?
No, it's not.
Oh, looks good.
It's good with like
Coffee? Tapos na kami guys, busog na kami. Bumili ng dessert si daughter. And then, I don't know, we'll see. Live from Haven Market in West Covina. Mark Bisdock. Let's go!